Hey everyone, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Plantronics Savi 8220 headset. So let's go ahead and get started right now. If you see here, this is the Savi 8220 headset. Now if you see, this is flapping because I broke the headset by mistake. I thought I needed to use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the cover. So if you think that this cover comes off the same way, whatever you do, don't do that. It actually just twists. So you want to twist it counterclockwise. It unlocks and then it comes off. The cover, you would just install it back on, rotate it clockwise, and it would lock into place. Instead of what it's doing now, which is broken, you want to rotate it counterclockwise. It comes off. And inside here, there's two screws. They're very small, but the good news is the battery that comes with the headset, or the replacement battery that you can get in the description of this video, will include this small screwdriver. Also, for watching this video, you're gonna get 25% off this battery by using the coupon code YT25. Y is in yellow, T is in Tom, number 2, number 5 is the coupon code for 25% off. All right, so take the screwdriver and we're gonna take the screws off. So let me go ahead and do that now. All right, there we go. Inside there, you see there is a battery. Take the battery out. It has a plug on it. Just pull on the wires and it comes right out. Take the new battery, line it up with this tan connector on the headset, as you can see right there. And we're gonna install the battery. There you go, it's installed and it's in the insert. Take the cover, wrong one, take this cover and line it up. It only goes on one way. There's two screws, they line up with each part of the headset. Reinstall the screws.
Just like that. Second screw.
Take the cover, put it back on, rotate it clockwise, and that's gonna snap the cover back in. That's it. That's how you replace the battery. So if the battery runs out, in about 2 years, on average, customers replace their battery every 2 years. If you notice that the battery is no longer holding a charge long enough on your calls or meetings, buy a new battery instead of ordering a new headset, and there you go. That's how you replace the battery. You're gonna get that 25% off by using coupon code YT25, and whatever you do not take a screwdriver or anything else to try to pry that cover off. Rotate it counterclockwise, the cover is going to snap off. To snap it back on, rotate it clockwise, and you won't have to break a $200 headset like I just did. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video, and if this was helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts.